Herzebrock Klarholz has been home to Steinl's headquarters since 1978. The character of the two parts of the town is defined by the historic monastery. What began half a century ago in two small rented rooms as a firm supplying heating resistors has grown into an operation with sites across Europe covering over 40,000 square metres. The entire Steinl Group is organised and managed from Herzebrock Klarholz. Further production facilities are located in Switzerland, Leipzig, the Czech Republic and Romania. For almost 20 years, the company has been manufacturing infrared sensors and sensor lights. A further production segment, heat tools such as glue guns and hot air guns. Work in the company headquarters at Herzebrock Klarholz focuses on research, design and development. Here, it's not enough just to have good ideas, because made by Steinl means user-friendliness, value for money and above all long service life. The Steinl Group concentrates on the heat tool and sensor segments and, from its pioneering days, has long since advanced to market leader. Numerous product details and innovations, which have won technology awards and design prizes, were developed and engineered here at Herzebrock Klarholz, from the prototype to the start of production. Designing printed circuit boards, creating lamp enclosures, as well as developing software and hardware are just some of the jobs carried out by our highly qualified staff. In rigorous climate tests, products are exposed to the type of environment they'll have to function in, ensuring quality guaranteed to last. Nestling amidst the Swiss mountains is Einsiedeln, a place of pilgrimage known for its Benedictine Abbey and Baroque collegiate church. Using cutting-edge production methods and machinery, high-tech modules are manufactured for intelligent building installation products. In developing and designing printed circuit boards, the company quite consciously turns to world-famous Swiss precision. Providing huge flexibility in configuring circuit boards, they are fitted with components at a rate of up to 1,000 board assemblies a minute, meaning that 1 million components are inserted here every day. There's no question about it. This is Steinl's centre of excellence for complex electronics and system production services. In handling projects, functionality plays just as important a role as quality, efficiency, feasibility and safety. Situated in the state of Saxony, Leipzig is today a lively city and one with a European flair, a pulsating venue for trade fairs, congresses and business. When the Robotron Works in Leipzig, once the technological showpiece of former East Germany, became available in 1989, Steinl quickly acquired it, completely refurbished it and equipped it with state-of-the-art production machinery. Its core activity, producing plastic components and injection mouldings, as well as designing and making moulds and dies. In the mould-making facility, models made by the product developers are turned into data for high-tech CAD systems. Despite cutting-edge software programs, translating the three-dimensional shape into an injection mould still requires skilled craftsmanship. Experience with mould geometries and work processes, plus expertise in handling and the individual work operations involved, determine the quality of the mould and thus that of the finished product. Mould components are produced by milling and erosion and later meticulously assembled to create the finished mould. Plastics compounding is a continuous multi-stage manufacturing process. The pellets or granules produced are key elements in injection moulding. This process results in high-precision components made from a wide range of different thermoplastic materials, which are fed to the injection moulding machines. Cutting-edge production methods such as multi-component moulding, in which different plastics are directly moulded with one another, permit innovative products and designs to be created and guarantee the high quality of Steinl injection mouldings. Every day, 2 to 3 tons of plastic are processed to make approximately 80,000 components. The path from the CAD design stage to the finished mould is defined by uncompromising precision. With products becoming more complex all the time, it's essential to operate a system of continuous quality controls. Steinl applies sophisticated measuring and testing equipment which is developed and constructed in-house, making use of all the options provided by modern testing architecture. Curtea de Argeș in Romania is located in the foothills of the Carpathian Mountains. Almost all of the kings of Romania are buried in the famous cathedral located in the grounds of the city's monastery. Close by is Dracula's castle, a reminder of the Count's reign of terror. Over the last 10 years, the doors have opened to Eastern Europe. What began with exporting raw materials for glass light shades and the sale of Steinl products became the Steinl Romania production plant in 1997. Today, some 800 members of staff at Curtea de Argeș manufacture and dispatch some 50,000 units and assemblies every day. This is where hot air guns, lights and glue guns are assembled, tested and packed. Fitting components to circuit boards by hand calls for particular dexterity. After being soldered, the circuit boards pass through a stringent control and inspection system. 2 or 3 truckloads with some 500 different items leave the plant in Romania daily. Every day, the facility manufactures some 15,000 lights and sensors that are all checked to ensure they're in perfect working order before they leave the plant. Producing heat tools is a highly complex process involving labour-intensive assembly work. Every one of the approximately 8,000 units produced here each day is automatically adjusted, set and checked that it's in proper working order at the end of the production line. From Romania, the journey takes us back to Germany, or to be more precise, to company headquarters at Herzebrock-Klaholz, because this is also home to the goods distribution centre for Steinl products. 3,000 saleable items are in stock at all times. Every day, as many as 600 orders are processed. That equates to 50 pallets and 1,000 parcels, which are shipped from here to over 45 countries. German quality, made in Europe, guaranteed by the name Steinl.